Baking soda substitutes for perfect cookies.
Hello, bakers! Today, we're talking about those moments when you're ready to bake your favorite cookies, but find out you're out of baking soda. Don't panic. There are several alternatives you can use instead. Let's dive in and explore these baking soda substitutes.
What is baking soda's role in cookies?
First, let's understand the role of baking soda in cookie recipes. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a leavening agent. This means it helps the cookies rise and creates a nice, light texture. When combined with an acidic ingredient, like brown sugar or lemon juice, it produces carbon dioxide gas, leading to expansion of the dough.
What can I use instead of baking soda?
There are a few substitutes you can consider for baking soda in cookies. Each will slightly affect the taste and texture of your cookies, so choose wisely. Baking powder is the most common substitute for baking soda. Baking powder is just baking soda mixed with a bit of acid, typically cream of tartar, so it can cause dough to rise on its own. Use about 3 times the amount of baking powder as you would baking soda. Potassium bicarbonate and salt. Another option is potassium bicarbonate and salt. This is an excellent replacement for people on low-sodium diets because potassium bicarbonate is a low-sodium alternative to baking soda. Baker's ammonia, or ammonium carbonate, was used before the advent of baking soda and baking powder. It's mostly used in thin, dry cookies or crackers. But be warned, it does smell like ammonia while baking, although the odor should dissipate by the time the cookies are done.
How will substitutes affect my cookies?
Remember, substitutes will slightly affect the taste and texture of your cookies. Baking powder will make your cookies rise more than baking soda, leading to a lighter and more cakey texture. Potassium bicarbonate and salt will produce a similar texture to baking soda, but might affect the taste slightly. Baker's ammonia will create a very light, airy, and crunchy cookie, perfect for if you're making a dry and crispy biscuit. There you have it, the top substitutes for baking soda in your cookie recipes. Next time you find yourself out of baking soda, don't let it stop your baking session. Try one of these alternatives and see how it goes. Happy baking!